Hi everyone, it's Rachael Smith with Remax here up in Big Bear. Today we're going to be looking at 40153 Lakeview Drive, right across the street from the water, right there. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are at 40153 Lakeview, a very iconic home in the Big Bear Lake neighborhood, right off Lakeview Drive right here. Water right there. I just saw a boat go by. And we're on this great corner lot, currently used as a vacation rental property and on about 1/3 of an acre. So somewhat fenced around in some areas, but you could put another fence up, but nicely treed from the street as well. Property goes all the way back this way, all the way back that way. So let's go start the tour. First off, we have a pear tree on the property. And so the home itself is going to be 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it's going to be 2375 square foot. Outside we're on, again, 1/3 of an acre. You've got some turf in a lot of the areas. And then this nice vintage old rock work around here too. Parking where my car is. And one thing you'll notice is the roof. The roof is absolutely beautiful, and it's actually made of metal too. So this is something like a 50-year roof up here. And then we used to have an outdoor fire pit here. Not sure if it's operational or not. This big, beautiful pine tree. And the exterior of it is kind of like this avocado green, and it seems like it's been painted somewhat recently because it's in really, really good shape. So first I want to walk you over here to the volleyball court. So what's great about this, you can keep it a volleyball court. You could also turn it into a pickleball court if you wanted to. Just pour a little bit of concrete. But right here is the water, and there's an access point right down here on Fisher, so just a walk across the street to the water. And they've got a little gate right here to let you out as well. And then, as all great rentals have, we've got a hot tub. And that's going to be access into the garage area. So let's start inside the home. That beautiful stained glass too. I'll show it to you on the inside. But here we are on the front porch. Again, a little bit better of a lake view from up here. This is probably where all the outside dining and entertaining and everything is going to happen. Also views of Gold Mountain over here. And let's see if I can see a ski slope. It's possible. With how the landscape is, it's kind of going this way. I see some bareness over here on the forest, but I'm not entirely sure, so I'm not going to call it a lake view. But very possible. Or ski slope view. So here we are. Covered entry to right here. I love this color scheme too, this brown and this green. And then check out this door. Oh, I missed the chandelier. Could not find where that is. So here we have the main room. So this one's going to be the dining room and the living room. But first I want to just kind of show you this craftsman style paneling that was done on the home. I mean, just beautiful attention to detail. And then these open loft beam ceilings as well that have just recently new lighting on them too. These are kind of like some Craftsman dual pane windows as well. And all of these have been updated. And we have central heating. So again, you're gonna get some good views of the water from inside the house too. But this is just a little nook right here of books. Maybe some board games could go through here. They do have it as a rental. Here is the rental book on it, and it's called Tall Timbers Lakeview. They're rented with Avant Stay. That's right. So we've got a dining room for 10 right here. A house like this should be doing somewhere in the, like, I would imagine $80,000 to $100,000 in rental income if it was managed with the right property management group. And then here we have the living room. So nice big wraparound couch, big ottoman, and they have this beautiful brick wall right here too. That, you know, if you wanted to mountain modern it, you could paint it white, you could paint it black, but it also looks really cool just as it is. And this does have a gas starter right here, so gonna be easy to build a fire from here. And in fact, there are instructions. And then there's that guy up there. So this would take us to the master bedroom, but I'm going to walk us into the kitchen first, and we'll kind of like end at the master bedroom. Well, we'll probably end at the garage. So here we're going from carpet over to hardwood floors. And what I love about these hardwood floors is this, like, that plank flooring that just has so much character and love in it. And, you know, you just see all the wear and tear over the years. And the kitchen has just been recently updated. So quartz countertops, this little coffee station bar. Here we have our rental license right here. It just got paid for again because this is now good through July of 2025. So here's our pantry. Clean, updated appliances. Nice hardy wood. Slow close. Lots of counter space. But just beautiful colors. It's kind of like a ebony black, maybe a little bit of hint of brown, but great. And here we have, this is going to be kind of like the den area. So just like another family room, place that you can sit, hang out, have just a different space from the kids' living room maybe, or this could be the kids' living room. Good area to stack your firewood right here. Nice wood burning stove, although this is a false, I mean, it puts off heat, but it is fake, faux wood. And then this is the entrance that I came in through the side. So there's like a little coat rack area here, and then also a closet that is currently being used as an owner closet. It is locked, but here's some interesting information. The max occupancy on it is 12 people. Max adult is 10, so you can have 10 adults, 2 kids, and 4 vehicles because it is a 4-bedroom. So coming up from the family room, we've also got this other broom closet right here. I'm going to take you upstairs first. I'm trying to think of the best tour. So we're going to kind of go up, and this is going to lead into the kids, kind of what I would call the kids' room. Little closets over here. A piano. And so the kids' room will blend into the master bedroom, but you have a stairwell here for the kids, you have a stairwell there for the master, so you can keep them separate, but they kind of kept them to where they flow together. So here we have, the bulk of the sleeping in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people just in this one room. And here's a heater just for this one room as well. But look at these beautiful wood beam ceilings. And my favorite part, I actually love the wallpaper. Gives it like a mountain look for sure. And here we have what is going to be our first bathroom that we've seen. So this is the kids' bathroom. Nice wood countertops, super clean, beautiful colors. This is a wood tile on the floor, and then you've got the tile that goes into the bathroom, as well as the pebble tile, and a seat as well. Lots of storage too. But cute, great little space for kids. And then we're gonna go into the master bathroom. So if you just pretend this door was kept shut, but you can lock it, then you have the master all to yourself. So here we have kind of like a little build-up area right here where it's tiled up, and then you've got the tub. Super clean. I just did my countertops like this. They turned out beautifully, and it's got like a nice matted finish on it too. So it's pretty easy to clean. And I like that rough edge right here as well. And then we step down into the bathroom or the toilet and the shower. So you've got the toilet shower here, sinks in the bathtub here. So again, same products used, tile, flooring. Got this nice wainscoting with the Craftsman look. Tile with the pebble tile. And black fixtures, as well as a shampoo box. So very cute. And then here we have the master. So the master has the third fireplace. This fireplace is going to be an electric start to it. Not going to be real wood there. Very deep walk-in closet here too. Very unassuming. I wouldn't have thought it would have been that big. And so here it looks like we have I think this is a queen bed, maybe a king. Hard to tell, but could get bigger in here if you wanted to. And then one of my favorite features is the little deck outside of the master, where you get a real nice view of the lake from here. And it always looks so much better in person than it does on camera. On the camera, it looks very kind of puny. And then here I just want to point out the roof, so you can see it looks like it's composite, but it is a metal roof. I used to live across the street from this house, and just have always admired it. And then back to my other favorite feature of the house is this beautiful staircase. So cushy carpet in the master, and then we're going to go on to hardwood floors, oak floors. So we're going to come down this spiral staircase, and this is a really wide spiral staircase, so you don't have to worry about hitting your head either. And then here we have that stained glass I was pointing out to you from the outside. So we're going to walk back through to the kitchen really quick, just to show you the other two bedrooms. And somebody could, if they wanted to, turn that into a bedroom too, but I don't think it's necessary. So we're in this hallway, bedroom, bathroom, bedroom. So let's go down the hallway first. I love this wallpaper. Really cozy bedroom. I like the white and the blue. Beautiful chandelier. And just overall a really great vibe in here. Then we're gonna go over to the bathroom. And this is gonna actually be laminate flooring in here. Got a full shower, kind of like a rainfall shower right here as well. And I love these little grates throughout the house. These are beautiful. Dual sinks. And then this is going to be bedroom 4. So this is a Murphy bed. Can pop back up. You can use it as another multi-purpose room, but it is a queen Murphy bed in this bedroom. Access panel for one of the bathrooms upstairs. And then walking into the garage has currently been converted lightly into a game room. Just throwing some carpet down and then putting the pool table in here. You could easily take this out and put it back to being a garage if you wanted to, but it's very warm and cozy. They've kind of made like a fourth, like another room out of it. You know that it's drywalled off, you got electrical, it seems warm in here. All kinds of games to play. And then here's our laundry room right here. And the water heater. And then we're back right where we came down these beautiful steps. So let me know if you would like to take a look. This one just hit the market for just under 1.3, 1.295. So happy to show it to you. Let me know. Bye.